Oh my god. Oh my guys.
It's gorgeous.
Wow. Ang kalat! Ano ba?
Hi, I'm Roselle, and I'm the food editor of Yummy.ph. We already have many episodes, so if you don't want to miss a single episode, don't forget to subscribe. On this episode, we have Anya. She's our cooking newbie today.
Hello, I'm Anya. I am a human being who does not know how to cook and has never been inside the kitchen except to eat.
You've never tried any experiments in the kitchen before?
I've tried a lot of times. It's just that I failed each time. So it's just eating in general. So that is my expertise.
Okay, I can assure you, you're not going to be cooking today, but you will be doing some baking.
Am I supposed to be excited about this? Okay, kaya to. Game baking.
Okay, I have one question for you. Do you like Nutella?
Yes.
Then I can assure you, you're gonna love this recipe. Because today, we're going to make Nutella Brownies.
Ooh, sounds
Nutella
easy.
Brownies.
Sounds easy.
Yes, it is actually very easy. I actually had a 6-year-old and an 11-year-old try this recipe, and they were able to do it.
I'm 3
Alright?
times your age. I can do it. Yep.
Okay, so if you guys want to see the recipe, don't forget you can find it on yummy.ph. So, as you can see, we have our ingredients here, and the very first step we're supposed to do is
Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius.
you need to turn on the oven. That's the light,
Right.
and then one more. All right, so that means if you check, I also put a oven thermometer so you can check what your temperature is inside. But at the same time, we have one that will...
Okay, that you can really
Yes,
set.
this is really set.
Okay.
So we need to be at 350 degrees or 180 degrees Celsius.
So this
This
is
is Celsius, so we need to go to around 180.
80. So it's around
Around
that.
Now that we have that done, we have to lightly grease and line a 9 by 9-inch pan with parchment paper. I've actually cut this already to size, but I want you to see exactly how we're going to do this. So we have this pan, so that you don't have to keep trimming the parchment paper. It's okay for it to be lampas. Okay
Yeah.
lang na lampas siya konti. Kasi once you've baked your brownies inside, this is where you grip
And then
push
just
everything
pull it.
out.
Yeah.
That's why
It
it's
doesn't
called
stick.
an overhang. Yes,
Okay.
exactly. We need to grease it a little so that the parchment paper doesn't,
Slide or whatever.
away.
Okay.
Yeah, that's enough.
Or it's like a glue.
Yes, this is
Food
definitely
glue.
your glue, yeah. All right, so we'll
Okay,
put this
done.
away. Yep, there we
Okay.
go. Right. Ayan, flat lang.
Ayan.
Ayan. Okay, we have it. We can put that aside.
Okay.
Now we're gonna get to baking
Ito na.
talaga.
The
Okay,
real
ito na,
thing.
ito na. Okay, so first we have our flour. Here you go. This is our flour. We need 1 cup of flour.
Okay. 1 cup.
Yes,
Ayan.
1
sakto.
cup. All right. It's always a good idea to scoop it into your measuring cup.
Okay.
Yes. So what we like to do
Mali
is
pala
we
yung
like
ginawa
to fill it up until it's overflowing.
Okay.
Okay, so you can scrape off any of the excess. So
Okay.
yeah, that's right. That's perfect. You can use this and you can scrape off the top. Yep, go ahead.
Oh
keep
no,
going.
ang kalat.
Okay lang. We can clean that up later.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, and then just
All right.
put it
Yes,
aside.
put it in there. All right, so now we need cocoa
Cocoa
powder. And it says there we need 3/4 of a cup.
3/4 of a cup.
Since there's no real 3/4 cup measuring cup, here is the 1/4 cup.
Ayan, okay. So we can just do 3 of these. Spoon it in.
Yes.
Like that.
So you need 3 of those.
Ah! Oh my gosh! Ano ba yan? Nanginginig ako. Yun. Ano ba?
The nice thing also with this spoon.
Ang kalat! Ano ba? Ay, ano ba? Okay, tama na.
Okay, so we
Wait.
have to do the same thing. You have to level it off.
Okay.
Tapos, gawin mo ulit yung kalahati.
At, sige.
Okay, okay, pwede rin ganyan. Okay lang, go
Oh my
ahead,
gosh!
go ahead.
Oh no!
Sige lang. However, which way you can do it.
Lol. Okay. Shocks na judge na
Dalawa
ako.
pa yan
Okay, okay lang.
Okay,
Judge niyo ako. I
so,
don't care.
It's 1/4. We need 2 more
Okay.
of that.
So, alam niyo na pag may kalat, I've been there.
Don't be afraid to make a mess because, hey, that's part of cooking. You kind of have little, little mishaps. Okay lang yan.
Sana yung 11 and 6-year-old mas makalat. Para hindi naman nakakahiya sa akin. Joke. Yon. Okay.
Okay, there we go. All right.
Okay.
And our third dry ingredient is baking powder.
Baking powder.
Half a teaspoon?
1/2.
Perfect.
Yes.
All right.
Oh
See?
my God.
It's perfect.
No mess.
No
Wow.
mess. So just keep whisking until you see na it's mixed together. Once we have this, we can set this aside. The next thing we need to do is, in another large bowl, we need to mix our butter and sugar. But our butter needs to be melted.
Melted. Okay, ito na siya, guys.
So, as you can see, this is an entire bar of butter. 1 bar, this is easy to remember, 1 bar is equal to 1 cup.
Oh.
So, hindi mo na siya kailangan i-cut.
Oh my God.
So, eto na yun.
Kasi like literal kita-cup ko siya. As in, like in an actual...
As you can see, it's softened already, so it'll be easy to melt. Alright, so it's on high, and we're going to, you can actually let it melt, or you can watch it melt. Mga siguro 20-30 seconds yan.
Okay, it's alive.
Alright. See? Alright, melted, right?
Nothing
So
burned.
you might want to stir it just to make sure there are no lumps. How's it look?
Yep.
Alright, looks melted, yeah?
Yep.
And what we're using for this one is brown sugar. We need 2 cups of sugar. Sugar is considered a wet ingredient. It melts very, very quickly.
Yeah. Ayun na. Oh my God!
It's okay.
Then just straight here.
Yes, straight into your buttermilk.
Okay.
Alright, so we need 2 cups of that.
Okay, so what?
So just keep measuring.
Okay.
Yep.
Yun.
There you go.
Alright.
2 cups. Alright.
Okay.
There you go. You can stir it.
Okay.
Afterward, you can
Forward.
stir this.
Okay.
I don't know if you can smell it already, but it smells amazing.
Yeah. I love brown sugar. I love it on coffee.
Oh,
It's the
yes.
Okay.
Alright, so we have that. Alright, our next thing that we need to do is we need to add our eggs one at a time. So we have 1 egg, add it in.
Oh, okay.
We'll get there. We have 3 more eggs to do.
Woo. Oops. Ayan.
Yes, and then open the egg.
Yun.
There you go. Another perfect egg.
Yay. Okay. And then,
Alright.
oops.
Yes, add it in. Yeah.
Pro level.
Pro na. Apat na yung eggs eh.
Wow. Okay.
Alright, there you go.
Yay.
Easier, right, with the whisk? Right, so now we have our flour mixture. This is very, very simple. Add the flour to this.
Okay.
Yep.
Everything.
Yes,
Okay.
everything goes in.
Ay, sorry.
Alright, go louder.
Yay. Oh my gosh. At least level up na ako from like the brownie mix lang.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
You just want to mix it until it gets nice and smooth. If you can lift out your... There, look how beautiful that is.
Add Nutella.
Yes, and
Okay.
that is exactly what we're gonna do.
Yay! Ay, matigas siya. Wait lang.
Okay, go. Ayan. Oh my God!
Wait.
Ayun!
Kaya ko to. Kaya ko to, guys.
Yay! Oh my gosh, look at that.
Joke lang. Okay.
Alright.
Oh my gosh. Okay, just dump it.
Yeah, dump it in.
Ooh. Sarap.
It's a really beautiful brownie batter.
Oh my gosh, na-excite ako. Totoo siya, guys. Okay.
Alright, are you happy?
Yes.
Alright, since we have our brownie batter, we need
Our
brownie
pan.
pan. Ooh, look at that.
Oh my god. Oh my guys.
You mentioned you have a husband.
Yes.
Okay, he can help you hold the
Yes.
bowl.
Hindi niya ako pwedeng tulungan. Kasi kailangan marunong ako on my own.
Alright.
Okay.
Does he cook?
Yes, he cooks
he
better than
does.
me. That's why I'm still alive. Kasi nakakakain ako through him. Okay.
Alright. So put this away.
Spread. Ito na yung parang sa mga kutsyon ng mga bacon. Yeah.
Yes! You
Joke.
can do that. Yes, you
Even-
can totally do that. We're going to do something a little bit more
Ooh.
special to this. We're going to add some Nutella on top.
Oh.
So here's one thing that maybe not a lot of people have in their homes. A piping bag. That's okay. You can use any bag. So this is a little trick that I learned in culinary class. I want you to open this
Okay.
from the top and then put it inside. Hold it in.
Okay. Ah, okay there.
Okay. Oh, that's pretty good na. As long as bukas yung
Yeah,
gitna.
here. Okay.
Alright, so we now need to add about half a cup of Nutella.
I don't want to put all this Nutella go to waste.
That too.
Okay.
Alright. See?
Yay, I'm piping.
Yes, you are.
More Nutella.
Yep.
Yay. Nasa-salvage pa siya. Wow. Okay.
Alright. Since our lines are going this way, I want you to turn it so that the lines are going in the... Yes, it should be this way. And we have a little knife.
Okay.
What I want you to do is make swirls in the batter. Keep going all the way to the end.
Oh, wow. It looks so nice. Oh, parang...
Right? Gorgeous.
Wow. Hindi pa kaluto eh.
Wait, we're not done yet. There's just one little bit that we need to do.
Okay.
So what we want to do is we want to add a bit of salt. That should elevate the flavors of the chocolate.
Flavor profile.
Yes. Sprinkle all over.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, laki nun. Okay, that's it?
Yes.
Then,
We preheated our oven. We're good to go. How many minutes do we need?
45 minutes.
Good.
Oh my gosh, ang bango niya.
It's firm. Firm yung edges. Check the center.
Oh, bouncy siya.
We'll have to wait for this to cool down so that we can take it out from the pan and let
Okay.
it cool more fully. There you go.
It came out clean.
Chopping board on so we can immediately start slicing into that. Look at that!
Oh my gosh, yung crunch at the top.
Nice. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Not clean, fudgy. Made fudgy brownies today, guys. Look out.
Look at that, guys. Is that a fudgy brownie or what?
Yay!
Fudgy
We have our fudgy brownies.
Why don't you try one?
Okay. Yay! Moment of truth. This is it. It's edible, but
It's edible.
lasang Nutella.
Really?
And then chocolatey, fudgy. Yay! I made food!
So, cheers!
Yay!
Each time you bite into the top, you feel the crunch.
Yeah.
Because that's a really beautiful crunchy top.
Yeah.
And then
Sarap.
the center is like super gooey. So, did you think that was easy?
Yeah. Mabilis lang din siyang gawin. It's just the waiting, for it to cool. Pero, I mean, it's easy lang naman to wait. But the entire process of it didn't really need equipment.
Right.
So that's important kasi wala naman akong equipment at home, to really do something very elaborate.
Are you still a baking newbie? Like, konting level up?
Level up na. So from level 0, mga nasa 0.5 na ako. Yeah.
I'm glad you had fun and I'm glad you found this recipe very
Yes. Thank you so much. I had so much fun.
Yay.
Thank you for the kaba. Naman ako sobra.
We hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you want to see and cook more easy recipes just like this one, don't forget to visit yummy.ph and hit our subscribe button on YouTube to find our best recipes online. Thanks very much again, Anya.
Thanks, Rasa. Thanks for
All right.
having me.
Bye!